Here is a customer order details. I want to calculate total results one of these columns by using functions. First I discuss sum function. This is one of the most important function in Excel. You can see here, it is easy to understand the concept of sum function. Sum function adds the values in specified cells, columns and rows. You can add single values, multiple values, cell references or range by using this function. So what is the syntax of sum function? This is the name of function. In arguments, you need to specify values, cell references, cell range, single columns, multiple columns. As a result, this function returns the values in a cell. If argument is blank, this function does not return the values in a given cell. So it is necessary to add values in argument to get a result. Let's use sum function to return a result. So activate cell J34. In formulas tab, click insert function. Type sum function in a search box. Click go. Select the sum function from the list. Click OK. The function arguments dialog box opens. You have some instructions here. Adds all the numbers in a range of cells. In column L, you can see total price of every product. I want to sum total price of every product. Add first number in number 1 box. Click number 2 box. Add second number in number 2 box. Click number 3 box. Add third number in number 3 box. This method takes time. So rather than you type values in number 1, number 2 and number 3 box, you can select the all cell reference range in number 1 box. So delete these values. Delete number 3 box value. Similarly, delete number 2 box value. Similarly, delete number 1 box value. In number 1 box, select the cell reference range. Click OK. Here you have a result. This is the total sales of that day, 19 November 2018.